This episode in The World of Steven. Can Steven, the devil-bearded boy, kick his own forehead?
Keep going. Go. 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 Don't give up, Steven. You got it. You got it.
It's not even in your head.
Yeah, really.
No, it's not.
Come on. Go. 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 Come on. Can't give up now. Oh, come on. That was weak.
Give up.
That last one was weak.
And he said you can't give up now.
Come on. Keep going.
God, I won't get up there no more.
Get up there.
That's what he said.
Yes. Yes, he can.